Welcome everyone. Let's elevate our weeknight supper with this elegant Asian flavor inspired baked salmon served with radish and cucumber salad, which is incredibly easy and doesn't take much of your time. For this recipe, we'll need 2 salmon fillet. Whenever buying a fish, always look for wild caught salmon instead of farm raised. We'll start by making slits on the fish for marinade to go deep inside the skin. Now we'll prepare the marination. For this we'll need 1 jalapeno, one-inch piece of ginger, four to 5 cloves of garlic, quarter cup cilantro. If you don't like the taste of cilantro, you can substitute it with parsley. One tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, half teaspoon ground cumin, and salt to taste. Add everything to a chopper and mince them finely. Now that our marinade is ready, let's preheat our oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and place the fish in a baking pan lined with an aluminum foil. Divide the marinade into 2 equal parts and cover the fish with the marinade. In the end, we'll top our fish with some tomatoes slit into halves. Then we'll carefully seal all edges of the foil to form an enclosed packet, which will help to trap moisture and keeps the fish nice and moist. While our fish is cooking, let's make a radish and cucumber salad. We'll need radish, cut it into 4 parts, and then we'll chop a cucumber. Add them to the bowl and then we'll make a dressing with an avocado. For the dressing, we'll mash an avocado, then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, finely chopped cilantro, Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half teaspoon ground cumin, salt to taste, and in the end some black pepper. Mix it nicely and add the dressing to the salad. Top it with some chia seeds and our salad is ready. "15 minutes have passed. Now let's check on our fish. Remove carefully into a serving plate and serve hot with radish and cucumber salad. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.